Hello everybody, this is Christy. Welcome to my channel. I'm from Joyance Tech. Today I'm going to introduce my product 10 kg payload agricultural spray drones. Okay, let's take a look. Here is the 10 liter kg payload agricultural spray drone model here. Okay. The standard kit will include the whole drum with one battery, one charger, one remote controller, one tool kit, and the water tank, and this aluminum box. This is the standard kit. Okay, let's take a look more in details. So it's got 4 arms and 4 high pressure nozzles. It can spray 5 to 7 hectares per hour. It's a foldable design. And this logo is customized logo as well. We can print on your name and your company's name. Here for the tank and here for the battery. So when the battery connected to the drum, the battery will switch on automatically. So in front got a FPV camera, so it can catch the image and the information of the drones when it's working, so we can observe in a real time. Behind it is the water pump. It can use more than 500 working hours, also reduce the remaining cost. And this is the obstacle avoidance radar. So if any obstacle in front of the drone 5 to 10 meters, it will stop, make the flight more safe. Below is a terrain following radar. This is an optional part. Okay, you can choose, especially for those mountains, hills, and not flat farms. It's very useful. It's low price for the 10 liter kg model, so you are always welcome to contact and get more details about it. Just one reminder, if you want to continue working, you always need to buy extra batteries and one more charger for continue working. Okay, so I'm waiting for your questions. Please contact me. Thank you.